Nobody has told me to lie, and you guys know, I haven't made a video in a while. Hold on, let me fix my camera real quick. Sorry, guys. Okay, I haven't made a video in a while, and somebody suggested me a video, and I thought it was a great idea, because as you guys know, I made a video maybe a couple months ago, maybe, about my stream settings. And you guys apparently loved that. I got like 500 views on that. Thank you guys so much for that. That was much appreciated. Thank you for m.drewpastoris. He suggested aka, well, his name is Mason, but his Instagram is m.drew.pastoris. If I'm saying that wrong, I'm so sorry. But Mason, thank you so much. I will put the suggestion on my screen right now. I'll put it like right here somewhere. And I'll put his Instagram down in the below if you guys want to go follow him. It'd be much appreciated. But yeah, thank you so much for the suggestion. So his suggestion, I can't even type. I mean, I can't talk right now, guys. Sorry. But his suggestion was that I make a vid of like how I go live on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. Which I think that's a great idea because I mean I did a tutorial last time and it went well, I guess. So I guess here we go. But yeah, I will put his Instagram down below if you guys want to follow him. That's up to you guys. If you guys do not, that's totally fine. But if you want to, you go ahead. Thank you for the suggestion. Like I said, I will put it up on the screen for a couple seconds. Let's just get started. Let's just let me put my camera. Oh, wrong button. There we go. Okay, this is how I do it. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys look. Okay, if you're on YouTube, if you go in the description, I actually do. It does say how I actually restream on both. Basically, it's a website, which here I'll show you what I have right now. It may be a little weird, but don't worry. But as you guys know, I do have two monitors. On my second monitor, I have this on my right side of my monitor, and I have my left side. I have my Discord. And actually, before this text box right here actually happened, I used to have that underneath my Discord, so my Discord would be smaller. But now I have that on my whole side. But yes, ever since this came out right here, where it's like Discord and I mean it's not Discord, it's not my fault. It's OBS and it's got the chat box and the live screen at the same time. I love it so much. Best creation ever. And let me just show you what I guys do. What I do. Let me just turn this off really quick. Sorry for the sound effects. It's my Opera GX. No sponsor or anyship or anything, but just saying. Let me go to my Restream IO. So here we go. So here it is. So this is what I use to actually stream on both of my YouTube and Twitch. All you gotta do is link them. You need to know your password, your username and stuff. And hold up really quick, I guess, sorry. But yeah. This is what I use. I love it so much. You can update the titles as well for both. But I wouldn't recommend that. I'd rather do it manually. I mean, this does work sometimes, but it really depends on stuff like that. There's a couple things you can do on here. This is new. I'm not sure how good it is though. I never tried it. Never needed to. And then this is my stream key that so what you do for the stream key is especially for this, you copy the stream key, which I can just show it because I copied it. I can't really show. Oh, I can show. There we go. So it's like that. I can reset it. So don't worry about that. Get a new stream name. Yep. Oh, it's social. Okay, I'll just do it after stream, whatever. Never show your stream key on stream or in recording, whatever you're doing. It's a terrible idea. But it's alright. I'll reset it. So what you do, you copy this. You copy the stream key. You go over here into the OBS. Okay. You go over here to OBS. You go into the settings. And then here, you go to stream. And then you do service. Oh, actually, you don't even need the stream key anymore. I lied. But you can go to service and you could pick Restream RTMP. It should say Restream key, but I have my Restream connected already, so it doesn't even read the stream key, which is even better. But if you link your account, you don't need a stream key, so it's just 10 times easier. Um, and then yeah, I already did my Restream. My stream settings. My fault. I already did my stream settings. So if you guys want to check that out, I will put down in the description as well, and I'll put at the end of this video on the thing. But that's basically how I actually get live stream to both YouTube and Twitch at the same exact time. Like I said, guys, thank you for Mason Patrius, aka Drew.m.Patrius, for this suggestion. If you guys have any more suggestions on what video ideas I should do, tell me down in the description, and Instagram me. My Instagram will be in the description. It's also on my YouTube channel page thing. But yeah, that is how you do it. That's how you stream for both Twitch and YouTube. I will put the Restream.io channel, thing down in the description, so you guys can go check it out. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys did like this video, hope you guys did. Much appreciated. Subscribe and like the video. Smash the like button, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you guys get notified every time I make a video like this or other videos. Like I live stream on here sometimes a lot. Actually, I'm gonna start live streaming on LSPDFR. If you guys do like that, if you guys do want to watch that, go ahead and watch that. I might even do recordings. I'll figure that out. But yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy, like I said, smash the like button or subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you guys get notified. And peace out.